In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix a laptop HDMI is not working in Windows 11 and how we can fix it if you're having this trouble. And this is what we have to do. First and foremost step is all about, we just need to go over here, search here for device manager. And what you need to do is you have to click on the device manager over here. Now, once you get into this, you have to expand this over here at the top. Now from here, we have to navigate to the display adapters. Now from here, we have to select this and right click and go for update driver. What you need to do is click on search automatically for drivers and make sure it is up to date. That is what you have to do. And also similarly, we have to right click and go to update driver. Click on browse my computer for the drivers. Let me pick a list of available computers over here. Now from here, we have to select this and we have to go for the next. And what you need to do is just try updating manually and you have to check. And these are the basic steps you can try when it comes to how to fix this. Next one is all about what you need to do is we have to go over here, search here for services, and what you need to do is you have to click on the services over here. Now from here, what you need to do is scroll it down all the way down and navigate to Windows Update. Now from here, we have to scroll it down, navigate to the Windows Update here. Now find the Windows Update here. So right click and go to the properties. Now go to automatic and make sure this is automatic. And also if the service status is stopped, just click on the start and make sure it is up and running and just go for OK. After trying with this, you have to check. And still if you're having the trouble, just go over here, search here for the settings. And what you need to do is you have to click on the settings. Now from here, just go to Windows Update and try updating your Windows and make sure the Windows is up to date, which is very important. So just try updating Windows and we have to check. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.